back to Auto House in Naples. I'm Haley, and today we have a gorgeous Bentley convertible for everyone. But before we get to that, make sure and check out our Facebook, our Instagram, make sure and subscribe to our YouTube page, and don't forget to check out our channel with a lot of other awesome, gorgeous cars. Today, this car that we have is in amazing condition. It's in really, really great shape. This is a stunning Continental GTC W12 from Bentley. It's a 2008 model and it's in amazing condition. It has only 14,000 low miles and it's got a lot of great factory options included on the car. In every way, this car is really just about making no compromises. This GTC has been driven very sparingly. You can have the top up, the top down. It's just overall a really gorgeous, luxurious car. This one's always been serviced well. The previous owner took really great care of it. So inside you have that gorgeous saddle premium leather interior. All the seats have the quilted seats in them as well, and you have the Bentley stitching on all four seats. It's just a gorgeous, that brown and black color combo. I like that the stitching is in black, so it kind of ties in the exterior with the interior. This particular car is in just amazing condition. The tires and wheels are in incredible shape. The wheels have no curb rash or anything like that. Overall, they're in really great condition. You got Pirelli tires on here. Really great shape overall. So on the back, we have our automatic trunk. That's a fun little feature. Opens and closes for us. So in here we've got a lot of space. Got an old plate in there, but we got a lot of good space in there. All the carpeting's in really good condition. Don't see any wear on the carpet. It's actually got a good sized trunk. And then you've got your tire, your spare underneath here. That's all in awesome condition. Then we've got our automatic close button as well. I love that on a car. That's just really convenient and nice to have. This particular model has about, when it was new, it was around $200,000. So the price was super high because it's a very luxurious car, but that's what makes it such a steal now, is that it doesn't even look like an 08. It's in incredible condition. It still looks new, very fresh. It's a super great car. It's in awesome condition. The value, you're getting your $200,000 car for quite a bit less, which is well worth it in my eyes. Let's pop the hood and we can check out the engine. So we just got that little hood latch on the emblem. And underneath the hood, it is just as clean as the interior and exterior. It's in phenomenal condition. You've got all of your Bentley badging on the engine. It looks just as great underneath as the rest of the car. The power comes from a twin-turbocharged V12, producing 600 horsepower, and it has a very smooth shifting automatic transmission. But overall, the car can go well over 200 miles per hour. It was one of the fastest produced Bentley ever constructed back in 2008. So it is an amazing car, and they put a lot of good engineering into this one, and it's in incredible shape. Close that up. All right, now let's check out the interior. All right. So we'll start it up again. And this does have the automatic start stop, which is a really nice feature in here. The steering wheel's in really great condition. It's nice you have the wood steering wheel as well. Yeah, close that, get that stop beeping. We have all of our instrument cluster right here. All the different gauges are in really great shape. No wear on the color or anything like that. You've got your digital speedometer right there, and then the miles, 14,167 miles. And what I really like is on the steering wheel, you got a lot of different little buttons right here, which makes it really easy to access, change, you know, all of your different stuff, your volume. You've got your, you can hook your phone up, you have that capability as well. And then in here, we're gonna have a full digital screen that's gonna do our climate control, our radio, everything like that. I believe we've got, should have our map in here. A lot of different really good buttons. And then on our shift knob, you got that Bentley B. That's all in really great condition. And then we've got really great heated seats in here. You've got all of your convertible top buttons. And then we have a couple different, we've got our little ashtray. We've got our center console. We've got all our different little storage buttons and everything. Really great condition. All the stitching's in great shape. You've got your navigation. And then what's nice is right here, you've got a little bit more storage in there. You got your CD player, all your manuals, everything like that. And yeah, I think we're ready. Let's put the top back up. Then we can go for our test drive. So the 2008 Bentley Continental GTC, it has the W12 engine. It's sporting a lighter internal parts and more manifold pressure. It delivers a full 600 horsepower and 553 foot-pounds of torque. It moves 0 to 60 in more than 4 seconds, which isn't bad at all. It's countered by a firmer, lower suspension, and it has those 20-inch wheels that we saw earlier. Some of the other noteworthy changes to this line of Bentley included additional paint and leather selections, the satellite radio, and restyled clocks. They're now available with the rear view cameras, which are super nice, and the screen is all very clear, a lot of different functions on there, and now voice styling through the updated Bluetooth and the 3-spoke sports steering wheel. So overall, it's got a lot of great styling features. Looks like we got some roadblocks ahead. But overall, this one in particular is in fantastic condition. Our fun. They don't want to go fast like us. GT. Make sure and check it out on our website, autohausenaples.com, and let us help you drive your dreams.